Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks for watching our video today. I know it's not our normal day for posting, but we're trialing something different in October. We're going to post every evening from Monday through to Friday at 9 p.m. The videos are going to be in varying lengths. It depends on what I can edit in for that day for you. This one in particular is a very short video, but you might get a couple of longer ones mixed into the week as well. So let me know how that goes for you in the comment section below, and whether it's something you want us to carry on with. So what you can see here, we've got this patient with a really sticky type of earwax. You can see it's really adhered to the canal walls. Now when it's really sticky like this and the wax has gone very tacky and stuck to those canal walls, it does tend to form a really good acoustic seal. So what you'll find with that particular patient is their hearing will really have been affected by this wax. You'll also see in a second that we've got this very deep section as well. So sometimes you can have just little pieces like this one and it's really deep inside the ear canal. It's going to have a far more detrimental effect on that patient's hearing than somebody who's got a massive block going all the way down but with a little gap running down the side. So you can see we managed to get that large plug out there. Now just behind that there is a little hair in here. Don't panic, we do get it out, guys. Don't all scream at me in the comment section. So the hair's coming out. Hairs like this one are really easy. We can just go in and grab it. You do see us leave hairs behind sometimes, especially if it's sort of resting up against the eardrum or flat against the eardrum. It's so difficult to remove that it's going to come up with the patient's next bath or shower, but nice and easy ones like that we'll just nip in and grab. So you can see we've got 1 centimetre of wax there. Now some they get put into the tank as well. Oh gosh, I haven't got my easy read ruler. I'm gonna go with I don't know what I'm gonna go with it, just under ½ inch. Yeah, let's call it that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, don't forget we're going to be posting videos every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday at 9 p.m. through October. So let me know in the comment section below if that's something you like. Don't forget to check out our other videos. They appear on, I can't remember, one of these sites. And click on that and follow us if you like more of the videos.